All right, guys, different perspective on Westcott. Not so safe for Westcott to be up here, but at this point, I got to share with you our basket rack. Our basket rack for the Land Cruiser is just a great product. And when I say that, it fits right in the factory roof rack rails. I'm standing on it. This one's got the panel floor inserts. It's super modular. You can see we've added some lighting through the side here. Using the oval holes along the side here, we're able to just tie the light into that and fit through there and just put a nut and a washer on the backside, and then we were able to string all the wiring underneath and keep it really nice and clean on this design. Comes in just in front of the antenna in the back. You can see how it styles itself to match the whole radius of the rails on the side here. All right, guys, after reviewing, 91% of you out there are not subscribed to our channel. Let's go, get subscribed. We want to hear from you. We want you to be a part of what we got going on. So subscribe to our channel. Let's go, chop chop. And the floor panels make it nice. They're actually got holes in the top, which you can't see, but we'll share those with you. It makes it nice, so if you want to wash in there, you're able to get your hand up underneath the roof rack and do so. And then we've also got track systems designed in the design up here in the top, and that allows you to use that 1/4-20 T-nut slot and attach different things, whether it's stuff that we make or other companies are out there. It's pretty much universal, the track system that's on this, with all the other accessories that are out there in the marketplace. So really, as you can see, 200 pounds, maybe give or take a few pounds. But here I'm on the top of the roof and it's super supportive. I'm not getting any fade. I'm not getting any flex in the bars, the crossbars on this. So it works very, very well. Super functional. If you wanted to strap up a box up here, you wanted to put luggage up here, whatever you wanted to do, this would work very well. The other nice thing about the design on this is as the air comes up over the front of the vehicle, comes up over the top of the vehicle, with this design, we're able to have no wind noise on this roof rack, which is another very positive thing, especially when you're driving a luxury vehicle like this Land Cruiser and you want that thing quiet. This will make sure that it stays quiet, and yet they're very integratable. So again, thanks for watching, you guys. Hope you guys appreciate this. Hope you guys enjoy this. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.